Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. Today we are going to see runtime analysis for SAP ECC or S4 HANA 2020. Okay, so this is important for beginners and at the same time for experienced professionals. They are already aware of this thing. Okay, let me try to show you this. So especially this is useful in support projects most of times. Sometimes in implementation also. The transaction code is ST22. Okay, so let me try to go to this. I can able to show you in what I would say in S4. Okay, so similarly, like if you want, you can able to check in ECC. So try to understand this. You will get dump errors. Okay, you can see this. This is go to the tools. Okay, let's close this. Go to the tools. Okay, you can able to see this. Okay, administration. Okay, in this you can able to see this in a monitor and here ST22. Okay, this is the dump analysis. Let's click this transaction. Okay, or else you can click directly this T code. This is the path. If you type ST22 also it will get. Whenever you are getting a dump error, uneven error, you don't know that you cannot able to move forward. Okay, see when you click this, whatever the errors we got it for today and yesterday they has given. Otherwise you can able to give the date limit. And suppose if you are getting, suppose you are not, sometimes what happens, the same error for sales order or billing you might not get it. Okay, the similar error user might get it. So in that perspective, who is going to do analysis? We'll check at our end. If it is not something relevant, we cannot able to solve this error. We'll ask ABAPer to check this one. Okay, go to today. Let's see this, what are all the errors are there. For example, these are there. You can see runtime error. Okay, exception, because of exception it came. So this is call function not found. Okay, all these are little technical, no worries. Okay, uncaught exception, this is also one of the reason. Okay, so at what time it happened, you can able to get the date. See, probably you can see these errors. Okay, this got in this client and this is the user and this is the application server. In the similar way ECC also you will have. So what is the, see, on runtime, that means on execution, what is the program got cancelled actually. Okay, these are the details actually. Minimum you should have to know about this one. Okay, so this is transaction ID, it is internal number, it will be generated. Okay, so first and foremost thing, for how many days we are getting this dump actually. These on that way you can able to do the analysis. Generally they don't give more time in support. So let's double click this. Okay, now you can see this. You can able to find different. See, what is the system environment? You can see this is the release and this is the S4 HANA database server. This is 2020, right? So that particular IP address and everything. Okay, so what is the user transaction used? Okay, you can see this program. Okay, SC38. By SC38 you can able to find the program and all actually. Okay, so let's come here. Error analysis, you can able to see short text, sometimes you can able to find it out, or else sometimes you will not able to find it out. Okay, so let's see this. For example, error analysis, we'll see this if we can able to understand functional side. So on experience you will come to know all these things. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, let me try to go. See all this ER number. Okay, error number and this one. So name and owner, we don't want all these details. Let's go a bit further. So maybe this, all these are like, stored in ASCII codes, right? Let's go to the short text. How to this correct error? Sometimes it will show, but general standard it will show. Okay, let me try to share the screen again. See what is the screen and program it is got affected. Generally what we have to do is, like, if you understand, okay, functionally with experience. If you don't understand, so what we have to do is, you have to take this error, download it, this file, and you have to send the ABAP. Actually, that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, don't hurry. If dump is coming, like, starting days, it is very difficult. You can see this, the function and attributes. Okay, so actually base we got this dump. Let me try to get into a little inside. At the time of BP role we got it. So, and again, where this is got terminated, that you can able to get it here. So this, so if above can check, they can able to get into this clearly. Okay, the termination occurred program, you can see this. Okay, so in this include we got on the line 74, we got this program. Above us can check this one. So let me go a little further. Okay, whenever you got this kind of dump, what you can do, just click this local file. Okay, probably in ECC something different. So rise exception, this thing it is coming, right? Okay, just save this. So now let's go to our desktop quickly. You can see desktop, right? So it's not at saved actually. So let me try to do one thing. Probably I might have saved something. So it is still saving. Okay, let's click remember my decision. So now this file got zip, right? You can see this. So now let's come to desktop. Okay, this is the file. You can see this rise exception. If you come here, this file, you can able to see other details. Okay, so this is a dump raw. Probably you need not send this one. This, if you can send dump full. Okay, so this you can download. You have to send to your technical team. They'll let you know. Sometimes what happens, if you don't do proper configuration also, it will give dump, especially invoice list. So it might be because of some condition type, it might be because of, as for example, this dump I got it for someone did some mistake relevant to BP roles actually. Okay, this is how you can able to use ST22. Okay, let me try to come back. I think that's all for today. I think you can remember this. This is simple T code ST22. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I think existing subscribers aware of this, like I have some sort of SD and S4 HANA courses available on pricing and S4 HANA simple logistics. This is the beginner course, and if someone is new to the industry, they can always welcome and do this course. So if technical panel is said okay also, it is always learn how to write functional specification, especially use it for your support projects, as well as enhancement support enhancement projects. And if you'd like to understand functional spec update, and you can able to get what I would say implementation, this is the more important work to move forward and write a solution. Okay, so this is course is exclusively on pricing, and if you see one course available on rebates, and this is all your credit management settings got moved to FSEO FSCM submodule. So you can able to see this is integrated component in S4 HANA. Okay, so SD level I have done it. So see, it will be good idea for FICO consultants also. Okay, so and I have two courses for stock transfers. One is for ECC, and second one recently done S4 HANA 2020. This is a course. Okay, I think probably you can find these links below of this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe. You are going to get more updates like this. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Jai Hind.